Hello, greetings, Mr. Najib and Miss Sana. My name is Merti Nurmiati from the System Information System 21B Blended Learning. Now, I will present a science paper that we have completed with the title Analysis of the Use of the Shopee application on Student Shopping Interests. First, allow to explain the background why we chose the title. In this millennial era, the development of technology is very rapid. Even almost all shopping activities are carried out online. With offline shopping, we can save time and effort. Only with finger movement can already transact and get the goods we want. Nowadays, online shopping is in great demand, and the most used platform today is Shopee. Shopee comes in the form of an application that makes it easier for users to do online shopping activities without having to have trouble using a computer device. Since its launch, Shopee has experienced a very rapid development. Even in October, the application has been downloaded more than 43 million times. The increasing penetration of gadget users has motivated Shopee International Indonesia see new opportunities in the world of e-commerce. Now, Shopee has spread in various countries in the Southeast Asia region such as Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, the Philippines, and Indonesia. In terms of payment, Shopee is equipped with Shopee Pay Later and cash on delivery. With Shopee Pay Later, buyers can pay with an interest-free installment system and with cash on delivery. Buyers who have difficulty in using banking pay in the cash via courier when the goods are already arrived accept buyer. The category of customers who often shop online in college students. The Shopee application is very closely tied to the hand of students. They can easily get the goods they want through Shopee, and not a few students who still use COD on Shopee Pay Later payment. So based on this background, we will analyze the effect of using Shopee on student buying interest. As a formulation of the problem, we will discuss 3 points, namely: 1. Does Shopee as an online shopping platform affect student shopping interest? 2. Does the cash on delivery web payment system affect student shopping interest? 3. Does the Shopee Pay Later payment system affect student shopping interest? Then, the type of testing method we use in this study in quantitative. By distributing questionnaire to active students who have been using Shopee for approximately 6 months, as many as 30 people as respondents. The technique we use is purposive sample technique, which is sampling technique used by teachers who have certain consideration in sampling on determining sample for a specific purpose. After we spread the questionnaire, we have got 32 respondents, and based on the questionnaire collect, we have got the profile of respondents, namely active students with an average age 23 years. This study will use 2 variables as measuring tool, namely Shopee as X and buying interest as Y. And to process and measure the data we get, we will use statistical software, namely IBM SPSS Statistics 25 to test the validity, reliability, correlation, and regression of our data. We assume that the emergency of Shopee in this era has a positive effect on student buying interest. The emergency of the cash on delivery and Shopee Pay Later payment system will have an effect on student buying interest in products that are traded on Shopee online shop platform. Then, once we have tested and processed the questionnaire data, we can justify our previous assumption that the presence of Shopee with the cash on delivery and Shopee Pay Later features affect student buying interest. Here are the conclusion we came from the study. 1. The result of the data statistical analysis test or regression equation test show that Shopee as on delivery shop has a positive and significant effect on student buying interest. 2. Based on the ANOVA analysis of variance table, it can be called that a Shopee simultaneously affect Y buying interest. 3. Based on the result of the correlation test, it showed there is a positive correlation of the use of Shopee the student shopping interest with a strong level of relationship, and the correlation is significant. And 4. Based on this result to the regression test, it showed an independent variable that is very dominant in statistically data test and a significant influence of the increase in student buying interest. That's all my presentation about this research. I apologize if there are any word and attitude that are not pleasing when I did this presentation. For your attention, thank you.